Well, the kids have left home and we'd always wanted to go and do another adventure because we quite like adventures, and we couldn't think of how best to do that until we discovered the world of yachting, boating, and so that's I think what we're going to do. We've now got the yacht, we've now motored it about, and we're going to go and
we've spent time doing it up.
Yeah, and
got it ready, and now we have to find the lifestyle.
Yeah, it's not easy. I mean, is it?
No, but that's the aim.
But that's what now is freedom and justice and equality for all. So this is it. This is the day we put the deposit on our yacht. I'm speechless. Anyway, I'll take you outside to where they're perusing what happened. And this is the family, the day we put the deposit on Rahuna. I hope we can change the name because they're really hard to change, aren't they? By SMS that the boat really is ours. And so the eve before we're actually going to fly, so we're only about 5 hours beforehand, we now know it's definitely ours. The Rochon, as we've now found that its name is. We think that's it. Well, we know it's it. And it's not actually sinking, so this is how we get on. Little slip ladder. There we go. So, as you can see, there's lots of stuff around everywhere. Apparently there's more stuff in this boat than any other boat ever made. There's the steering wheel. I must show you this. This is the seat. I wouldn't want to sail very far on that. Anyway, there's Helen inside the boat.
Well, ahoy,
so
Captain.
she minds out the way. You can begin to show rubbish. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a freezer. We thought it was, well, there's the freezer, sorry. We thought it was a fridge. And it's just jammed with everything. There's the lounge. And then there's the cooker.
There he is. There he is. We have to get you because we have to get you as part of the part of the thing.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Oh, good, good. And he's here, ready to take part in the amazing adventure.
Okay, today's the day, Pete. First trip out of the marina, taking the beast out. How do you feel?
Terrified. Absolutely terrified. Yeah, well, we've got to do it, haven't we? I mean, it's about time, isn't it? We've cleaned the fuel. Motor sounds sweet. Listen to it ticky-booing away.
Terrified, and I keep saying to myself, don't panic. I'm glad Tony's here. I'm glad there's 3 of us. Once we're out, I think it will be fantastic, but it's just this first initial manoeuvring to get out the channel and in. And I'm making my little checklist. Not that I really know what I'm doing, but it keeps me calm.
So, Tony, what are your thoughts on our maiden voyage?
Well, I feel pretty relaxed. I've spoken to the skipper and I understand my job is to sit in the back and drink beer, so I'm all set to go. And I'll go and start doing the ropes.
And when you put the ropes on, especially these back ones, you've got to make sure that they don't fall off the back because they'll wrap around the... Any back ropes, you've got to make sure you get them on the boat, not